Hello, my dear beings of light. Today I bring you a very powerful prayer so that the person you want will call you in a minute. Remember to pray your prayer with great faith. Also, to enhance it, you can light a white candle for this prayer. It is one of the most powerful there is, so have a lot of faith and you will see that that man will return to your feet. O luminous spirits and guardians of the night, hear the plea of this humble forest which is right. In the glow of a candle, pure and white, I invoke your powers on this starlit night. Mighty ones who guide through darkness and fear, let your radiance shine, make my message clear. To the one I cherish, whom I hold so dear, may my image in their thoughts vividly appear. Great lights that sprinkle the sky with your grace, let my love's name glow in a celestial embrace. In their dreams, may they see my face, feeling our bond, time nor distance can erase. Radiant beams, banish shadows of doubt, fill their heart with love, let it fervently sprout. May my name be the echo they can't live without, a desire so strong, it leaves no room for cloud. Daylight, warm as the morning's first gleam, kindle within them a passionate dream. Let thoughts of me flow like a serene stream, in their life, may I shine as the supreme beam. So it shall be, with faith and love's might, this prayer I repeat in the day and at night. For 7 days, with the person in sight, may our paths intertwine, in joy's delight. Repeat this prayer day and night for 7 days. Think intensely about that person while you say your prayer. Well, my dear beings of light, this is all. Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.